officially time for the house tour. I've been saying I will do it. It's been days and days and days and days later, but it's like 70% done. So we're gonna give you the updated tour. So I'm standing right by the front door. So if you remember, this carpet was gross and brown and long, and we got it changed out to this super nice fancy carpet. Yep, nice and fancy. And thanks to Jessica, we got this awesome couch that matches perfectly. Right, guys? Whoa! Yeah, you can play with them. All right, back into here. We still haven't done anything with this. The kitchen's pretty much the same. We did get the new stove. We did get the new faucet. And that's about it for the downstairs. So here is the carpet that is throughout the rest of the house. We got two types of carpets. One for down here, which was fancier, and a little bit cheaper one that goes everywhere else. So here's the other carpet. So it has a fun little print, very subtle, but it's gray. And it's really soft. So we came up here and this is all painted, this is all painted, this is all painted. This is all painted. Okay, so it's kind of got bad lighting in here because we have a blackout curtain, but this was Cozy's room and it used to be blue, but now it's white, and they both sleep in here. So this room is done. Trim, new paint, same carpet, still a few spots to do. And in the bathroom, it's been all painted, new toilet, cleaned the crud out of this bathtub. You remember our cute little courtyard. Very cute. Okay, so that's the house tour I've been promising, and I'll do it again if like there are any major changes, probably to like bathrooms and kitchens. Okay, so I'm ending this part of the vlog. I don't know if there will be more footage or little fun extras, but this is all for the house tour and probably for a little while. Okay, give us the recap of what you've been doing.
Well, it's just smoking, because it's a terrible pan. Hello? I'm trying to cook a steak, but it's smoking way too bad. I don't have a barbecue, Mom, so I'm doing it inside. It's smoking so bad I have to hold it next to a fan on my window. Need a grill.
Okay, I'm giving a shout out to my wonderful husband. Look what he's doing.
Big things happening at this house.
We just finished basically the whole house, and then we looked at the kitchen and we're like,
We hate it.
It just looks terrible. Everything in the house is white and gray and soft tones, and then there's just this ugly brown kitchen. Ugly. So we are going to change that and paint everything. I guess Nick's doing it all in the next 2 days.
All himself.
Oh my. But looking good. White. It's gonna be white, 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 white. Pretty excited. Hi. We're doing our kitchen and I'm just practicing. So we found this thing where we don't have to buy all new counters, and we're just gonna kind of like paint them. We're gonna see how it looks. And if we don't like it, we'll just get new ones. But hopefully this can save us a lot of money. I'm really nervous.
Did you watch the videos and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just Blotchy. Hey, wait. Should you have that point? Like, you're gonna have like pointy blotches.
I just did that. You can't even tell.
Okay. Resin now that goes on top.
Oh, look how glossy it looks. Looks so good.
New counters were about $8,000. So, what do? You just do it yourself.